1, 2, 3, let's switch this up. What's up, True Beauty fam, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we will be doing this beautiful fall pumpkin spice inspired halo eye. Everybody's coming out with the fall looks now, and the next look that I have planned is actually going to be inspired by two people, and I'm excited to try it out. It's a style I've never done before. But back to this video. In this video, like I said, we're doing a beautiful halo eye, a very pumpkin spicy, like just beautiful halo eye. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get on into the video. Okay, so I'm going to prime my lids, and I'm going to use the LA Go Pro Concealer in the shade Natural. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the yellow shade. Well, this like bright yellow shade, because there's like a mustardy yellow shade in here. But I'm starting with the bright yellow shade. That's going to be like my base slash transition color. Okay, so now I'm going to take this orange shade in the palette and brush that right on top of the yellow. Next, I'm gonna dip into this red shade right here. It's like a reddish shade, like terracotta shade. And that's just going a little bit lower than the orange. Okay, so since I have my base down, I'm gonna go ahead and take some of the concealer that we primed with and cut out my halo. Okay, now I'm gonna take my ring finger and dip it into the gold shade. And just tap, tap, tap around. Now I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to take a little bit of this dark brown shade right here and deepen up the eye. And now I'm just going to go ahead and do my other eye off camera, and I will be right back. Okay, so I have some lashes drying on the side. They're probably mostly dry right now. Not mostly, but like halfway. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on some mascara. This is the Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop on my lashes, and hopefully they cooperate with me. Okay, so I got my lashes on, and these are from Azarito Cosmetics. I haven't worn these in a minute, but I still love them. I still think they're pretty. I just haven't worn them in a minute. And these are in the style Goddess. I do have a discount code with them, which I will leave on the screen, and it will also be linked down below. So yeah, you are free to use that if you like these lashes. So I already prepped my skin for foundation, and I used the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and I didn't even take on my foundation. Wow, I was so prepared today, guys, and I did not take on my foundation. I took out everything else but my foundation. Okay, so I have my foundation now, and it is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Mocha. I got foundation on my shirt. I got foundation on my shirt yesterday too. Oh my god. What the hell is wrong with me? So I'm gonna go ahead and nobody saw that. Nobody saw that. I did not just do that. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and color correct using my Black Opal foundation stick in the shade Suede Mocha. And now I'm gonna use my concealer, and this is Fenty in the shade 410. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and set, and I'm using two Fenty powders. I'm using the powder and hazelnut, and I'm also going to use honey. To set, I'm going to use hazelnut, and then to brighten, I'm going to use honey. I'm gonna go back to my eyes really quickly, and I'm gonna take that red shade that we use on this little fluffy brush, and I think I'm gonna mix it with the orange shade. Badescu spray and set my face. But if you're new, I'm using the Marc Jacobs Omega Glaze highlighter in the shade Guilty. This is actually a body highlighter, but I'm pretty sure it can be used for the face. All over foil illuminizer. There you go. You use it on your face too. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna use my NYX Intense Butter Gloss in the shade Rocky Road. And I'm gonna take a little bit of Sueño de Coco. This is a ultra matte lip, but I'm just using it like bring a little dimension. Because this gloss is a little more pigmented than the regular butter gloss from NYX. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Become part of the True Beauty family. And turn on that notification bell so you are notified when I post. If you don't get the notifications, just keep an eye out on the channel. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if I don't upload on those days, I'll either upload the day after or I'll upload on my next upload day. So if I don't upload on Monday, I'll upload on Tuesday. But if I don't get to upload on Tuesday, I will upload on Wednesday, which it would be my next upload day anyways. So yeah, I love you all so much. Thank you so much for those. Oh my god, thank you so much to those who support me and who have been supporting me from the beginning. Thank you for getting me to 100 subscribers, well, 101 subscribers. And I will see you guys in the next video.